Hello, incredible single parents. Today, we're not just talking about self-care, we're redefining it. Being a single parent is an extraordinary journey, and it's time to make sure you're not just surviving, but thriving. Imagine starting your day with a miracle morning designed just for you. How about a 5-minute dance party with your kids to kickstart the day with energy and laughter? Or what if your daily exercise routine included a fun scavenger hunt that gets the whole family moving? Now let's talk mental health. It's not just about coping, it's about thriving. Have you ever tried a painting session where you and your kids express your feelings on canvas? Or how about gratitude evenings where you share what you're thankful for? Don't just ask for help. Create a co-parenting community. Think about organizing a parent swap playdate group where you help each other out for some well-deserved me time. And for self-care, let's think outside the box. How about a self-care swap with other single parents? Exchange self-care packages or services like babysitting, meal prep, or even a virtual book club. Remember, you're not just a parent, you're a superhero. And every superhero needs their toolkit. That's why we've created the Busy Parents Blueprint. This isn't just any guide, it's your personalized toolkit for transforming the single parenting experience. If you're ready to revolutionize the way you balance parenting, work, and self-care, download the Busy Parents Blueprint now. Click the link below and join a community of single parents who are turning the challenge into triumph. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative and supportive content. You're not just raising a child, you're raising the future, and you're not alone. Let's do this together.